This tutorial shows you how to share your mobile data connection with other devices using the built-in hotspot feature. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Connections. From there, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. At this point, tap on Mobile Hotspot to open the hotspot settings. In the next step, tap the toggle at the top to switch the hotspot on. Following this, you'll see your hotspot network name and password displayed on the screen. These are the credentials other devices will use to connect. Once done, tap on the hotspot name if you want to customize it to something easier to remember. From here, tap on Password if you want to change the default password to something more personal. At this stage, you can also tap on Security to choose your preferred network security type. After this, tap Save to apply any changes you made to the hotspot settings. Finally, on the device you want to connect, open the Wi-Fi settings, find your hotspot network name from the list, enter the password, and connect. Keep in mind that using hotspot consumes your mobile data, so keep an eye on your data usage, especially if you're on a limited plan. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you set up your hotspot and share your connection, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.